I'd like to invite everybody to the June Homebrew Robotics Club. I'm Wayne Gramlich, and I'm the president for this year. Okay. Usually I start by asking how many people is this their first time here? Okay, oh, that's very good. We usually pick up a lot during the summer. The most important thing is, where are the restrooms? The restrooms are down that way. You zig over, and when you get to the elevators, turn right. Okay. We get to use this facility for free, courtesy of Google. Thank you, Google. They have a requirement that everybody in this building have a badge. If you don't have a badge, you're going to have to go out to the lobby and get yourself a badge. Who here does not have a badge? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5. Okay. What's going to happen is, after I sort of put the mic down, I'm going to ask people to come over there, and we'll all go out, get badged, and come back in. And the rule in here is, the only way you're allowed to, places you're allowed to be in this building is between here in the restrooms and here in the lobby. You have no business wandering around. That's not part of the deal with Google, which they're just letting us use this room. They also let us use the Beta Cafe, which I would guess was closed because of in anticipation of the Nickelback concert, but I've never seen it closed before, but it was closed and we got to use it. So again, thank you. So tonight is our challenge night, and so the agenda is we're do any club related news, any general news, and then we'll do our challenges. It's basically a glorified show and tell. Everybody's supposed to show their robots even if they're not working, which is a lot of us have non-working robots. And then after that, we break and start talking with one another, and pretty promptly at 10 o'clock, I kick everybody out. We're not allowed to be in the building past 10. Unless you are a Google employee and you have a Google badge, you can do whatever you want. Okay. Any club-related news? So, Osmond, do we have anything that we need to talk about? Nope. That's good. That's so much for club-related news. Okay. Any sort of general news that's kind of robotic in nature? Yes.
Yeah. Hi. I'm Alan Fetterman. I also teach at Tech Shop, and Tech Shop is now spinning up more robotics and more electronics courses. So they just got the LabVIEW instrument set, which consists of 2 devices that are data acquisition devices, and they're also teaching a LabVIEW introduction. So the devices are the virtual bench and something called the MyDAC. These are general purpose, everything you want in an electronics bench.
Good.
It's hooked up to a computer, so you can take your screenshots, you can record the data directly for analysis. So it's I think what they told me is the big one is around a $2,000 unit. The other one is something like $800 if you went out to buy it. You can go and use it on your electronics bench.
Very good.
So, and they're pretty cool, and I'm going to start teaching it as soon as I learn it. Plus, they're spinning up their Arduino classes that they normally only gave in San Francisco until now. So they have a series of 6 Arduino classes that go from building your own Arduino to getting it to blink lights, to getting it to run motors and do displays and all that. So
that's where a lot of people start. Okay. I guess we should mention that some of our club members work for Fetch Robotics, and they just got the $20 million Series A funding for their thing. A lot of hard work went into that. Okay. I don't really have any other news, so usually what I do is I hand this over to Camp, and he's the master of ceremonies for all of this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand this over to Camp, And I want everybody who does not have a badge to meet me right over there. We're going to walk out, get badged, and come right on back, okay? You won't miss too much.